In this video for CUNY Graduate Center students, I'll show you how to add Weighted Instructional Units, or WIUs, to your registration. Please note that only doctoral students can enroll in WIUs. While our videos are here as a supplemental aid to help you get enrolled, nothing replaces advisement from your program on your course of study, and you should speak with an advisor before enrolling in WIU sections. If you are a student on fellowship, you should also verify that your enrollment choices meet the requirements for your fellowship or financial aid distribution. Weighted instructional units are assigned for such activities as teaching, exam preparation, and research. Level 1 doctoral students whose combined total of course credits and WIUs is 7 or greater are required to pay full-time tuition. Please note WIUs count in financial aid and billing calculations, but they do not earn credit toward the doctoral degree. Log into your Student Center by scrolling to the bottom of the Graduate Center homepage and clicking on the link for CUNY First. After logging into CUNY First, click on the Student Center tile. You're now in your Student Center. On the next screen, click on the Schedule Builder tile. See the Registering for Courses video for a screen-led walkthrough of these steps. You're now in Schedule Builder. On the Welcome screen, you'll see the current semesters with your specific enrollment appointment information. Click on the semester in which you'd like to enroll. In the Select Courses panel on the left side of the screen, enter WIU into the search field. All of the WIU sections will populate below the search field, beginning with the 0 credit section for international students, and then 1 WIU in ascending order to 7 WIUs. Select the amount that you require. If you're not sure how many you would like to register for, please contact your program for advisement. For example, I'm selecting 3 by going to the row titled WIU 3 Weighted Instructional Units, which then places my selection on the right side panel and schedule results. Scroll down and then click on the turquoise blue Get This Schedule button on the bottom right of the page. On the next screen, verify that the correct amount of WIUs appears. In the Actions column, confirm that the action is Enroll. Then, if everything is correct, click on the turquoise blue Do Actions button at the bottom of the Action column. The result of the action will load in the Results column on the far right. If you receive the success, this class has been added to your schedule message, your registration has been successful and is complete for this course. If the result is Failed or Error, read the message carefully, which will contain details about the problem. You can either begin again by clicking on the turquoise blue Return to Select Courses button at the bottom of the Results column, or if you have questions, contact the registrar with a screenshot of the message for which you need clarification. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach our staff by calling us at 212-817-7500 or by writing to us at registrar@gc.cuny.edu. Please see our channel for additional videos designed to assist you with registering properly and to help you navigate the online capacities of student services.